Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Wells Fargo asking for one-time passcode when you log in, but the text message never arrives on your phone? Here are two iPhone settings that are almost always causing it. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center. If the focus mode or do not disturb icon is lit up there, it will look like a moon or a colored icon. Tap on it to turn it off completely. Wells Fargo sends verification codes from automated short code numbers, and focus mode silently filters those texts out before they reach you. Turning off focus After turning off focus mode, go to your settings app, then search for phone, and then scroll down to silence unknown callers and make sure that silent unknown callers is switched off. If it's switched off, turn it off. Fargo verification codes come from automated numbers that look like unknown callers to your iPhone and get silently blocked by the settings. Now go back to the Wells Fargo login screen, tap Resend Code and wait till full 60 seconds. If the text still does not arrive, look for an option to get the code by voice call instead. Choose Wells Fargo will read the code to you. So all you gotta do is go to control center, turn off focus mode, go to settings, phone, then turn off silence unknown callers, tap Resend Code or switch